In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Trello board. Whether you're looking to organize your projects, manage tasks, or just keep track of all the things you need to get done, creating a board on Trello is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few minutes. So let's dive right in and get you started on setting up your first board. First, you'll want to log in to your Trello account. Go to the Trello website and find the login button, which should be prominently displayed. If you haven't logged in yet, now is the time to do it. Once you click on login, you'll see various sign-in options. Choose to log in with Google by clicking on the Google icon. A list of your Google accounts should appear if you have multiple. Simply select the account associated with your Trello and log in. Once logged in, you should be on your Trello homepage. Look towards the top of the screen and you'll see a ribbon with various options. Click on Create. This button is your gateway to starting something new, whether it's a board, a card, or anything else Trello offers. As the next step, you'll be prompted with choices of what you can create. Here you'll want to select Create Board. This will start the process of setting up your new board. You might also see various templates and suggestions, but for now let's stick with creating a board from scratch to give you full control over the setup. Now it's time to give your board a name. Think about what this board is going to help you accomplish. Is it tracking a project, planning an event, or managing daily tasks? Whatever its purpose, come up with a clear and descriptive title that you'll easily recognize later on. Type this title into the spot that appears after selecting Create Board. Next, you'll be asked to choose which workspace your board will reside in. You might be part of multiple workspaces or just working within one. Pick the most relevant workspace from the list. If you're only a part of one, you can stick with that. Workspaces help keep related boards together and can be a great way to manage different projects within one organizational context. Finally, with everything set, all that remains is to click on Create. After clicking this, Trello will whisk you away to your new board. You'll see a blank canvas ready for you to fill with lists, cards, and all the details you need to track your workflow effectively. And there you have it. In a few minutes, you've successfully created your Trello board. Feel free to customize it further by adding background colors, inviting team members, or setting up lists and cards that suit your organizational needs. Thank you for watching and happy organizing.